Welcome to the AI series, the show where we dive into the latest in technology and innovation. I am Pan Singh Dhoni, and today we are exploring a fascinating topic, data driven generative AI, benefits for data and analytics. Stay tuned as we unravel the complexities and potential of these groundbreaking technologies. First, we'll understand AI and generative AI. So think this way: human does many things. So he has brain, or he or she has the brain. Based on the neural inside the brain, they take a decision. They have the knowledge and wisdom. They take a decision. Similar thing, if we provide to the machine, they get these information through the data, and they take data. Based on the data and analyzing this data, take a decision. They do work, so like a human being. So AI is the where we are putting a brain inside a machine, so that is AI. So what is the generative AI? Generative AI is something you are generating new stuff from the existing one. So let's say for example you put a prompt, and that prompt, with the help of prompt, there is existing text, and they are manipulating that text, and they are giving the outcome. So if you look this diagram, right, artificial intelligence top of that, there is a subset machine learning, and deep learning is subset of machine learning. Under the deep learning you will see large language model, LLM, and generative AI. Now our topic is data and analytics. What is the data basically? If you talk about the data and analytics, so any system or anywhere in the organization, they have the operational system, right? So they collect information from the customer, and it depends, different kind of systems are there. There are ERP systems are there, there are financial systems are there are web applications are there. All these applications are dealing with the data. So let's say for example I have the organization, I want to see how my organization is performing. So what I can do, I can collect all this information and do some kind of reporting top of that. That will give me idea how my business is performing. Let's say for example I want to see how much my sales is happening. So I have to collect the required information from the system of record, massage that, create a dashboard or report, and understand what exactly is happening. If I want to see the trend using the data, I can see a trend. So if you look this definition, as per Gartner, data analytics refer to the ways organization manage data to support all its users and analyze data to improve decisions, business processes, and outcomes, such as discovering new businesses, risk, challenges, and opportunities. So that's where we talk. In any organization there are different kind of system we already talked about, right? If you bring this data, join this data, and get some meaningful information out of that, that is our data and analytics. So now question comes, what are the advantage of the generative AI in data and analytics area? So there are so many advantages. We will talk few advantage here in data analytics. So let's say for example, right now once we collect information from different system of records, we centralize the data, and we create a warehouse. So it depends on the technology what we are using. Some organization may use DB2 warehouse, some are using data storing in NoSQL databases, some are storing in the SQL databases, some are using an SDFS, some are storing in the cloud storage, maybe let's say blob S3. So different location can be where the organization are collecting all these kind of information. Now, for example, if I am a business user, I want to see, I will ask to generate a report, or maybe I can go directly on those system, understand, if I understand the language SQL. Let's say for example, I will write a SQL query, I can get the what I am looking for, top selling product, how my company is performing, all these I can write a query and join the data and get a meaningful information. So what we can do in the future, for the some of the business user may not be that familiar with the technology, they just understand the plain English, right? So how we can serve those kind of our customers or our business partner? If we can give some kind of a layer top of that, let's say we are giving some kind of prompt layer to them, they just write a simple English statement, and respective outcome they can get from the data. So we can use the generative AI for that as a layer. like intermediate layer, which can interact with the data, massage the data, and give the outcome to us. So user will just worry for the English prompt English, and behind the scene that AI model will convert that into related SQL or NoSQL query, and it will give the data to the respective user. So that's where we can use and create a chatbot. So that is the one of the advantage where we can leverage the generative AI. Another advantage, so any organization, let's say for example, think from the employee perspective. So there are different kind of employee in an organization. Some are maybe architects, some are your developers, some are managers, some are technical lead, and some groups are in testing, and some are in reporting. So the different kind of folks are there. So in today's what happens, right? Let's say some issue comes as the troubleshooting, they take help from the Google, or they may talk to their colleague and to troubleshoot those issues and get a solution. And let's say for example, in development phase, SDLC phase, right? Software development life cycle. Once they start in developing phase, they will understand the requirement. After that, they will start writing a code, and then they do code review and testing. All these process go hands on hand, right? So in this case, every phase, if you want, we can take a help. Let's say for example, if I am a little bit not sure, okay, what my query look like, so I can take help from the generative AI tool. Maybe let's say for example, ChatGPT or Bard. We can ask question, they can summarize the answer. So instead of in Google you are searching for that answer, it takes a lot of time to search the right answer because so much data is there in Google. In a generative AI tool, you will get a very refined answer. So let's say for example, tester wants to write some test cases, so the tool can help you write the test cases. It will speed up, it will improve the productivity. And managers or leads, they want to write a email communication. Instead of wasting that more time on the email communication, they can take help from the generative AI tool, and they can write emails easily. So that will improve the productivity and efficiency. Similarly, for example, analysis, right? Analyst, if they want to take some help from the tool, they can give the data, that tool can analyze, and as per required question, it tool can answer. That analysis can be fast. So different stakeholder, this different organizations employee can take benefit of the generative AI. So that's where we told benefits of IT resources such as engineer, developer, tester, analysis. This will improve the productivity, and a work which is taking maybe 4 hours, I'm just giving a hypothetical number, can be done in within 1 hour. The whatever saving on the time is there, we can utilize some other fruitful task. So that way we can use the generative AI. Third advantage, we are talking about generative AI in seamless integration with the tools. So recently what we have seen, thanks to the chat GPT in launching in December 2022, we have seen a lot of tools are integrating with the AI capabilities. So recently what we have seen, Power BI is integrated with the Microsoft Copilot and other tools, AI tools. So they are giving kind of prompt capability where you can write a prompt. Behind the scene, it will interact with the AI tool, and it will give the answer. It will massage the data. It will give the required report to you. Similarly, lot of data quality, like we right now we are writing tools, so we already have in market so many AI driven tools where we can take a help and we can create a report top of that. Similarly, we can leverage a generative AI to build our ETL pipeline. In we can build an integration pipeline, and that way we can take advantage of the generative AI. Either we want to take a help in the code, or we want to integrate this with the tool to better seamless integration. That way we can leverage generative AI. Now the conclusion here is that generative AI is poised to revolutionize the data analytics landscape, amplifying productivity and streamline delivery timeline. Organization can leverage their capability. If you see right this line, so organization can leverage their capabilities to enhance end user experience with organizational data and make informed decision with greater agility. Generative AI will not replace data analytics professionals, but rather augment their effort. empowering more organizations to harness and power of data driven insights. So what we are basically saying that, right, generative AI can help in different phases, whether we are collecting the data, whether we are modeling the data into the tables, there we can take a help. We can also, if you want to leverage in aggregating the data, if you want to create a report, we want to create a dashboard, in every area generative AI can help us, and which will be a more it will improve the productivity, and it will be time saving for everyone. Now, thank you for tuning into AI series. I am Pansing Dhoni, and it was pleasure bringing you today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful discussion. Until next time, keep innovating. Thank you very much for watching this series.